dala ngiba ama-victim waka Eskom agubha ama-cable ngigijima phansi ngenzani angisho yimi ohlala khona la. I'm not saying ukuthi ngifuna i-trophy for lokho, no, angisho yimi engoccupy la. But now that the story has gone this far, I don't know ukuthi somewhere somehow somebody somewhere maybe angakwazi ukuthi I-intervene, akwazi ukunginceda ukuthi nami ngithole into, ngoba ngiyabona ukuthi i-narrative ngiyayibona ukuthi ipushelwa kuphi. Yena sekune-conspiracy already ngoba ngale sekanomzala wakhe and uzubona ukuthi lo mzala wakho nimenemene kanjani. I'm gonna put this on record. Mina indlu yathengiswa ngisho ngokusho kwakhe. If uyathengiswa indlu njengoba basho bathi ufuna ukuyithengisa, mina let me get what even the law we went there bamtshela straight emahlweni bathi wena mele uthole each and every cent oyithi oyinakhuzanile lapho. I do have it on record, yabo, because wonke ama-transaction bengiwayenza ngaphandle kwale bengibhadala abantu ngayo ukuthi wena ufake isilingi, wena ufake, but le ngazi ukuthi ngithenga i-material, nayo i-material akhona le ngithenga emalini. So ebank ngaya nakusasa ebank ize azikhuluma yena umfowethu, you understand, engizwile ukuthi la kahle shuthi anginawo mfowethu kahle la, mina ngicela just imali yami engirenovate ngayo kuphela, then you guys can sell the house, it's fine.
Listen, Fred. Sorry to take you back. Sanibonani Mzansi, and welcome again to another episode of the Hope Revolution podcast. I'm your host, Unomcebo Gayaka, your sister that is always available to listen to your story and engage with you. In this podcast, we provide a platform for open discussions on various challenges and experiences that are unique to both men and women. And if you are joining us for the first time, please do not forget to subscribe and hit that notification button. So today in studio, I'm joined by a gentleman by the name of Uthabo that will be sharing his story with us. Sawubona my brother.
Sawubona nkosazana kunjani?
Ngiyaphila. Awaze wafika.
Yeah, after the traffic yase East Rand eJoburg, mara I'm glad to be here and thank you for welcoming guys.
No postpone.
Hey, inkinga vele nje.
No, ngiyabonga. Thank you so much for coming.
Yeah, ngiyabonga.
To people abangamazi Uthabo. Who is Uthabo?
Uthabo is a boy who was born and bred in the East Rand, at Davidson.
All right.
Born from Utapsile, who's late, which is my mother, and I'm a third born of 8 children zakatapsile, but ke endlini sihlukana ngabo baba kanjalo, yabo. So yes, then yeah, pretty much so. I did schooling sami khona ngapha Israel and thola umsebenzi khona ngapha. Pretty much everything nje in my life yami khona ngapha Israel.
Okay. How was it like ukukhula at Davidson?
Yeah, growing up at Davidson as a child, from the social point of view, begu right man. Begu right because besikhula under amahrotmane, yabona, passionate ngendaba zebhola, isport, isikolo and everything. So nathi sabamba leyo line leyo ke ukuthi hayi uyesikolweni uyabuya isport, you understand, mangabe une talent enyana somewhere uyophesiwa leyo talent yakho, but nje pretty much sikhule ngasho ukuthi under yina ku guidance amahrotmane nje bawa right ekasi ngaleso sikhathi leso, ngaphandle ke uyabona estradini and all that. So then ukubuya kuza ngapha endlini cause ukuzalwa kwami ngazalelwa khona la eSpruit, umama wami akasahlala eSpruit. I was born in Spruit, then ngamuva ngaya KZN, ngahlala nokhokho wami.
Okay.
Then that's where ukhokho wami umama uthe masekathola indlu ngapha eDavidson, asekathola istepfather eCBC nendlu, so bamova from eSpruit la bekahlala khona baya eDavidson. So uthe masekathola ngathi indlu ngathi indawo engathini i-right for ukuthi angalanda abantwana sohlala sonke. So that's when ngeza ngapha ke. I think I was about 6 years, if not 6 or 7 mangiza ngapha, because ngiqale isikolo ngale grade 1 grade 2 kanjalo. So then ngenza grade 1 ngale KZN eMuntuza primary school. Then I moved to ngapha towards the end of the year, which was in 1992.
Okay.
1992. So but mangifika ngapha istepfather vele bese sishonile, so ngathi sishone months before, I think ngabo June kanjalo, May June around there. So mina ngifika ngabo November ngapha. So sengizohlala nomama, ngizojoina la abantwana basekhaya vele.
Okay.
So sahlala ke nomama kanjalo. Then when we stayed nomama, I think ngihlale naye for about 6 years, because 99 naye wadlula emhlabeni yabo nge-accident kanjalo.
Okay.
Yes.
So ubaba bowumazi around that time, your biological father?
Ubaba uzala mina?
Yes, baba uzala wena.
Baba uzala mina, I was introduced to him in 1998. 1998, I think around October. So ngasuka ngaye Eastern Cape. Umama bahlanganisa ke kanjalo angazi nomunye usisi, so bebakhula bonke khona ngapha eSpruit yabo. Because umama wami nobaba bahlangana eSpruit, ubaba wami bekadrive ama truck, umama bekumuntu othengisa ama plate emafemini, bahlangana kanjalo ke uyabona. So ngathi ubaba wamuvela eEastern Cape. Then umama maseka muvele ngapha, i-connection ya stop from lapho. But from what I understand and how I was told ukuthi there was another sister bekahlala naye umama, bekaphila nomama kakhulu ngapha eSpruit. That's where wagcine wamthola wa connect ubaba, washo ukuthi ngifuna umntwana phela, ngifuna ubona umntwana kanjalo. So 1998 ngasuka, umama wangithatha saya kubaba, saya la eSpruit komunye ubaba ngathi bekazana nobaba bekasebenza bonke, ubaba masebenza ngapha. Bang organize le transporting, ngahamba ngaye Eastern Cape kuyo umama kuyo ubaba.
Okay.
Ngammeet ubaba, I think it was around November, during our school holidays aka December, but just before December. Ngahlala from I think it's December, January. I was supposed to have come ngapha ngizolanda into zesikolo, ama remove and all that. Ubaba afuna ukuhlala nami ngayo. So that's where I think umama zange ayithande ke leyo nto leyo yabo, because ke wacala ingxabano from lapho yabo, baxabana ke gcina sengasabuyelanga ngale kubaba. So that was the last time ngimbona ubaba. Prior to that umama bekayenza ama request ukuthi ayivele ngifuna abantwana bami ukuthi bakhule ngendaba endleleni same space, same house and all that and so forth. So I think that's one of the things ezenza ukuthi umama anakhuza agcine senga nami ukuthi ubaba angithathe ngiyohlala naye ngale. So ngabuya ngeza ngapha ke January, I think then ngaqhubeka nesikolo ngapha. Unfortunately umama during that year, which is now 1999, wadlula emhlabeni naye.
So makandlula emhlabeni udlula nisele kulomuzi wakhe
yes, wase
Davidton, sorry.
Yeah.
So i-relationship yakho with your siblings beyinjani all along till now, before umama and even after umama ndlula emhlabeni?
Yeah, your relationship be right. I can say that be right. It was fine. Be right because we no being no booty like umdala wasekhaya, which is the firstborn. May his soul rest in peace. Washona no mfowethu ngimlandelayo naye olandela ulakhi mina ngithi ngobu 3. Then bese right man, it was all good and fine, and ubhuti wami nganokusuka should bengahlala nogogo ubhuti wami omdala ekhaya. Don beka nokuza avakashe. There was even a time where enrolla ngapha, I think bekayenza iN1 or something ngisakhumbula. Yabo, where wasihlala ngapha, I think about 6 months or so, waphindwa futhi wabuyele move, but it was all fine. Besikhula yabo ngendlela nje right sabantwana bomuntu and all that. But we knew at some point, because those insults or they will come yabo ukuthi akusikini lana ambofuna ubaba wakho ini, they will come. Lezo zinto lezo sikhulela phansi kwazo besizazi. Sorry. Then we moved, okay, ubhuti makasuka hamba umama mshuthi bekane nye cousin sister yakhe kuthiwa uGabsile besihlala naye umama makangekho because uyowabuyela isikhathi masiloku siye uyowabuyela futhi waqhubeka futhi wayothengisa ngale yabo shuthi bekashiya nalo sisi lo besikhula phansi kwakhe vele uGabsile naye bekagcina waba nomntwana khona lapho so bekuyifamily nje yebe right yabo so nothing was like there was nothing out of the ordinary ngasho kanjalo just like any other household nje lokushini yabo yeah.
Please take us through la izinto ziqala ukushintsha khona. Excuse me. Sorry to take you back, but I can tell you there is a lot going on. Yeah.
Yabo.
There's a lot.
Sister. Yazi kunezinye izinto ne ezithi mazenzakala life yakho umncane ngaso sikhathi and mamncane kanje you don't I was next like ngasho kanjalo pretty much so ukuthi I was next like yabo
Yeah.
because this is how the twist of the story starts now. Remember I said ikhaya besi about 6 or 7 or 8 yeah besi 8 in total because abayithu bashona right sasala si6 loye wani wathatha ubabakhe I think waye eMpumalanga then ubhuti wami already umama makashona bekahlala bekase nogogo eKZN. So what happened was umama makashona I think ushone around June yeah June makahlangabezana nengozi yamthatha emhlabeni then okay kwahamba beza bomalume yabo abomalume bahlala ekhaya vele bebahlala eNatal mara bebanokuza even before mama saphila umama bebanokuza bavakashe yabo kuleyo nto leyo abomalume bawazile yazi malume eqinile so beza kalulula ngalengo sibuye esikolweni mangala ukuthi ngithola abantu endlini ukuthi hayi abantu laba like kwenzakalani manje yabo abantu abangaka nje endlini and abantu like abo maneighbor kanjalo and some of which bajwayelanga ukuza la endlini yabo then mina because I was a bit older than laba abayi2 which is my younger brother and my younger sister yabo bangithuma ukuthi ngiyobiza omunye ubaba and all that along the way lo mama lo wangivala wangitshela ukuthi ndoda umama wakho akasekho emhlabeni but azange isinke ini ngaleso sikhathi leyo yabo ngaleso sikhathi singahamba ngaya la bangithume khona ngabuya then kwastart ke abantu bafloka in and all that and I think a day or two after abomalume nabo beza from eKZN and all that boyenza ama preparations ukuthi hayi umama somthatha somncwabela ngale eKZN sasuka sonke endlini sahamba sa eKZN sawuncwaba umama masiyongcwaba umama safike samncwaba umama sharp mina ngisho bengenza I think bengenza grade 8 at that time yeah grade 8 in 1999 okay then there was a meeting after a funeral ugogo wathi mina laba bayi2 abancane ngizobathatha uyabo these were her exact words wathi mina laba bayi2 ngizobathatha ngizobakhulisa then abanye bazokumele bahambe bekuzomela bahambe bawufuna ubaba babo ngoba ngeke ngikwazi ukuthi ngithwale umthwalo wonke.
How many were you around that time? 5.
Yes.
Okay.
It was my brother. My 2 brothers were still alive at the time of my mother's death. Yeah. Then there was me. There was Umfowethu.
Okay.
Then there was Unakuza, my younger sister.
Okay.
So understandably so wabathatha laba bayi2 vele yabo wathi mina laba abanye vele hayi bazu amagama wakhuluma leyo angazi ukuthi why bakakhuluma but yena she knows unfortunately wadlula na emhlabeni but wabathatha ke laba bayi2 then I was supposed ukuthi ngibuye ngize ngapha yabo you know what she did on that day? I don't want to use this platform as ukuthi ngifuna ukubhesha ifamily yami and all the time and zonke lezo zinto lezo ne, but ezinye izinto kumele zikhulunywe ngendlela kumele ezenzeka ngayo. You understand? For everyone there, mhlawumbe khona umuntu who's going through that or who have gone through that experience as a child, 12, 13 years old, you can't be told those words. You understand? You can't. As a parent, those are some of the things you can't say to your child or to your grandchild. Yabo. Omunye ubaba besambe naye, he was a neighbor ngapha. Besambe naye vele sungcwaba umama. Wa volunteer wathi hayi mina uThabo ngamnakekela up until because the arrangement bekuthi because mina it's during the year, it's in the middle of the year already isikolo yabo. So now bazothatha lena khuza lesikhathi lesi baphushe up until ngoDecember at least ke sebazobuya bazongithatha ke nami ngihambe ke uhlala nogogo ngiyojoina laba abanye ngane. Umunye ubaba asikisu ngicela ungamusho ngegama uthi next door wa volunteer wathi uthi mina uThabo ngizomthatha try ukumonitor up until ama exam abhale December, then you guys can come and take over. That was the agreement. Sharp. Sibuya kanje yimi lo baba yilo sisi lo bengihlala cousin sister kamama lo besihlala naye uGabsile. Remember I mentioned igama like sabuya ke naye. Alright, sharp. Sisiphila singaka endlini sekuyimi lo sisi nomntanakhe. Lo sisi had a boyfriend, yabo. Boyfriend will visit occasionally and all that, yabo. Alright. Hlale man nalo sisi, I think June, July, August. I think around August, if I remember very well. Around August, ayibo ngibuye esikolweni. Ngiyavela isikhiya besihlala somewhere vele, yabo. Ngiyathatha isikhiya ngiyangena as usual. Angiyavula endlini mangithi ayibo. Endlini some of the things zithathiwe, yabo. Mathapha wena uyabona ukuthi konke ezishodayo nganaki, yabo ngene change vele umuntu ozithandela ke strat ku groundini sengiyagcoka ngiyachintsha ngihamba ngegroundini. Later on ngiyabuya, usual time mele ngibuye ngaboma 6 baqala kuba mnyama vele ngibuyele endlini. Sengiyabuyela endlini I still endlini akulayitwanga nani sengiyalayita, yabo. Ngiye khona umunye umama same street vele bekaphila nomama even from emakhaya vele ba ama opposite. So bese kuumuntu ofana nokuthi family, yabo. Awu lo mama uyangibizwa uyangitshela uthi hey ndoda yazi la uGabsile phela ngathi uthuthile ngathi uthuthile because sibonile mina, yabo. Kune van ngathi thatha impahla zakhe nani. Hey angitshe ukuthi mina ngoba ngangitshelanga next mhlawumbe uzobuya or kanjani, yabo. First day, second day, and you remember ukuthi lapho angina financial support. One, there's no money that's coming from ekhaya or akuna nix like nje, yabo. Okay, kuqala kuba nzima ke manje. Firstly ukudla endlini akusekho, no one is there for you, yabona yonke into kumele uzibone kahle. Okay, ngiqhubeke ke kanjalo abomakhelwane abaniba ke sewaqala yasiza ke la ayanceda khona, yabo. Alright, sharp. Ngibhale lo December ngiphasa. Mangiphasa zithi 2000 manje, year 2000. Still mina ngisa-expectele ukuthi hayi labantu bayeza ngoDecember bazongithatha. I even tell my friends ukuthi hey mina ngiyavaya sengizozama ukuvakasha, yabona into esifana lezo. December, January. Hayibo nix. Nothing. Not even a visit, a phone call next. Nothing. So I was pretty much forgotten kanjalo ukuthi I even exist and all that. I see isikhathi ke, yabo, to cut matters short nje. See isikhathi ngene high school, yabo, through my friends nabo nama neighbor now sengumuntu vele owaziwayo lokushini ukuthi hayi lo mntana lo ya mafuna ukuthuma nje umntwana nangu umvusa ngo3 ngo5 uyafana. I understand uthi naye athole something and all that yabo yokudla, because some of the things engidlule kuzo hey but it's fine. Sidlula isikhathi sharp. Yabona manje siqala kwenzani. Remember ifamily yakabo time angiyazi, yakabo biological father angiyazi, yabo. I only know him, yabo, and I only saw him once, which was 2 years back. You understand? Prior to me living alone in 2000, yabo. Angazi muntu lo mama lo took care of me. I don't want to lie. I want to put it on record. That mother took care of me. She was there for me through thick and thin. Nalo baba lo. Unfortunately, lo baba wa ulahlekela umsebenzi kanjalo. But he was there. That father would angazi ukuthi bekathi makabuya emsebenzini either uzothumela abantwana ukuthi bangicheke bangibize or yena uzuza self, yabo. And I understand ukuthi yenzani lento le sekhosta i-rift efamilini yakhe naye ukuthi you can't be supporting umntwana na. Sometimes unokuthumela abantu ukuthi imnikeni imali yabona into ezifana lezo. Sometimes ukubona ngama-food parcel nyana singena umuntu nje bahamba bathi sikunikeze, yabo. Yayibona ukuthi iseyivule iphi gap manje. If iseyivule igap for everyone ukuthi kahle lapha kuyadlalelwa.
Yeah.
Kuyadlalelwa lapha in any way ungayicabanga. You understand? Angikho ngisesikolweni. Mangibuye esikolweni I would find people la endlini. You understand? Sebazenzela yabona into ezifana lezo, some of which are older than me. Sekuyi-hub nyana yama some sort of gangster nyana and all that, yabo. Okay, 2000 isikhathi masitokusiya hayi man, yabo lempilo le man, yabona nami sengiyaqala manje singuma 16 kanjani, hayi yabona ukuthi this is not the life le, because abanye banokuza into bazijontshile, you understand? Nini kuza abantu sebazofuna labantu, yayibona ukuthi sekuyikhakharaka nje kahle la endlini, yabo. Amanye ama-families even nama-friends wabo, nama-friends wami abantwana babo sebabheka off manje ukuthi we can't be associated nabantu nomuntu oso. Phela there was a time ukuthi bathi mina ngibhemisa abantwana babo insango and ngaleso sikhathi insango ngiyibhema, even not today insango ngiyibhema, I only smoke ugwayi kuphela. Hayi kube lento leyo vele, but la kimi ngaphakathi khona la ngishaya khona lento leyo ukuthi how this was once a home man.
Yeah.
What happened kahle? Where are those guys? Because they promised ukuthi bazobuya bazongithatha or even ukuvisita ke, yabo. Because bakhona abaphile. My brother was there, my uncles were there. You understand? Everyone was still there, yabo. But bangasingabonani up until vele ngizoyikhatha nje, yabo. Up until 2009, because now i-matric sengiqedile. And there are a lot of opportunities angidlulile la. You understand? Ngifike ku-matric ngale vele ngokufoster kwami ngize ngifike ku-matric sharp. Ngibhale i-matric grand. Na i-problem yami i-ID manje. Angina-ID, angina-birth certificate, angina-next. Engizule ngithi ngiyazama ukuzula, ayi akuhlangani nix. Now I have to what? To go back. Ekhaya. Okay. Because mangitshela ngama-documents afunekayo ukuthi ama-documents aso because ngiyabachazela istory sami ukuthi istory sami so even ama-officials waka-Home Affairs they would come and want to assist, but i-assist yabo bezoba limited up until ngize acquire lama-documents lawa azoba relevant for ukuthi ngithole i-ID. Then I went to my previous school, primary in Katakazulu. Bangenzela iletha because bangazi vele bengifunda lapha, bacheck ama records obvious, yabo, bangenzela sharp. That was the only document engisuke nayo la ngahamba ngaye eNatal. Remember eNatal ngigcine ngina mama mangashona, I think I was about 12. I don't know the place anymore, and I've heard rumors ukuthi bachiftile lapho sebahlala kuphi, you understand? Hey, kube struggle manje. Kube struggle. Now, okay, coming back to issue yendlu. Ngathola enye ifamily, mangithola enye ifamily bafuna ukuzorenta indlu, yabo. Bese ngiphila kanjalo ukuthi ngiyarentisa endlini. Ngiyarentisa sharp, ngikwazi ukusurvive nami, yabo. Enye ifamily yathi yazi why asenze sokuthengela umkhukhu uhlale ngaphandle thina occupy indlu, but we're not going to stay here for long because it's applyele indlu mabayi approve then sokushiya, but so besikushiya at least nomkhukhu and all that, yabo. Baqaleke bathi zama ukulungisa because hey bese kuyila angazi ukuthi ngizothi yini, yabo. Bahlanganisa ke bayenza iminyango bayenzana kwaba iqala ngabe ngathi nami njengomntwana sengifila le nto leyo ukuthi hey man mangibuye egroundini or ngibuya kuphi ngithola ngiphekelwe. You understand lento, the all this thing phela sengimixed bese kuma kwapha krapa so uyazenzela uyazibonela sometimes ukulala ngegwinyeli one sometimes nix vela ulali nga nix mangayenzanga ukuthi esigela because I even joined i-feeding scheme esikolweni yabo with the purpose ukuthi hayi masiceda ukuphakisa lapha sekuyimo ophakisayo phela ngiyazi ukuthi hayi 2 silanyana yayibaba 3 sinyanyana yayila uthi at least mangifika endlini ngikwazi ukuthi ngibe nento yokudla ntamba okay ngiphila leyo mpilo leyo up until ngithola le family vele ayi kuba abantu abangiqoqayo sibe right ne family sharp bahlale I think 3 or 4 years if I'm not mistaken ba chifta ke bavala then sengihlala nomkhukhu ke manje vele ngihlala ngaphandle emkhukhwini hayi kuze enye family futhi and for sure khona ngatshelo lenye time ukuthi la mawufuna ukuthi kube ne-order and all that umuntu mangathi uzoqasha wena ungaqashisa intanga yakho or someone who's 2-3 years older than you at least ithola umuntu ozoba nomfazi and at least nomntwana you understand ukuthi kuzoba nani ne-order all right kwavile ngihrotmane futhi yabuza ngendawo ngayitshela ukuthi hayi kuso 2012 konje ngenini ekhaya I think 2011 if around there one day bangibhadale labantu berent ngithathe itaxi vele hayi ngiyobona phambili phela manje kunama opportunities amaningi angimixed up phela akangina ID noma umuntu angathi phela kuyacashwa la asivuke kusasa what mina ngiyazi ukuthi mangifika lapha bazongijikisa because i-ID yangina sahambe ke sharp ngigibela itaxi ngihambe ngemakhaya mangifika emakhaya ngilahleke but ke ngoNkulunkulu ngithole enye cousin nami khiyahlala nayo ngapha yabo because umama wathi umama umuntu makaye ekhaya uzothatha uyi1 asahambe man yabo yobona igoli and all that and so forth yabo beka umuntu onjalo like ubeka very accommodative sahamba ke necousin ngithatha ngise kugogo awusebahlala la mina ngagcina kuhlalwa lapha nani sebathengisa lendlu sebahlala ngalezansi ngithatha cousin nami ngise khona lapha yabo mangifike kugogo ekseni fika ngidrop cousin iva ugogo akasangiboni mangifike edining room ngifika ngihlala bekuyisekuseni so ngabo ma 8-9 because bambi itaxi oqala from elokishini siya la bahlala khona akangiboni angirecognize total utshela le cousin nami uthi kokwami village she was very mean. She was a very mean person, you understand? Uphume ekamereni. Hey, nyelela igama lokukhula ulelela le cousin yami. Nasivuse ekseni nje indaba yabona nani. Mhlawumbe uzitshela ukuthi uzocela something. Kokwami she was like that, yabo. Uzitshela ukuthi mhlawumbe uzocela something wathi hayi. Nasivuse ekseni uthi hayi umamkhulu umbiza ngomamkhulu wakhe vele ugokwami. Athi hayi mamkhulu bengizoletha bengilethe uThabo la kufika uThabo izolo. The shock that I saw, and because mina makakhuluma songibheke yena ebusweni, the shock kugogo wami angene ekamereni aphume makaphuma sekabuya nomkhulu wami yabo mababuya nomkhulu hey Thabo kunjani sharp ngiright yabona nani ngithi mina angisho ngikhula nalento ukuthi labantu abangifuni la yabo developile lento leyo ukuthi labantu laba kahle abangifuni total if bangifuna bebangebayenza lento abayenza kimi yabo I'm not saying ukuthi bangikolota or kanjani but the way izinto bezingakhona I'm not a child ovele ekuthiwa umama khona bekana nomunye umntwana nangu abantu engikhulela phambi kwabo you understand even though kokwami at times she was very mean she would even chase us away and that's because bekana lento yokukhetha abantwana khetha lo uthanda lo for this specific reason and all that yabo I think le nto leyo icreate into ya create a rift amongst thina abantwana you understand up until manje story singilethe la namhlanje yabo all right sharp ngimtshele first thing ngimtshele ukuthi gogo yazi bengazange uzohlupha or ini just nje into engilethile la kunama documents akhona ama certificate kamama and all that and so forth so ngizocela ukuthi at ningezele nomama copy ngikwazi ukuthi ngenze ID into engilethile ID la yabo yabona sixoxe ke yabona yazi nje toza sixoxe nje but my heart is still bleeding kahle ukuthi these people siswamse kakhulile ungakuzi nokuzuna nomntwana ngapha yabo lasibona sekhaya beka preparele ukesikolweni bavaye basikoleni ngisale naye ugogo nomkhulu emini sihlale ke yabona sihlale kanjalo baze babuye labo esikolweni nalo omunye ubhuti wami omncane abuye makabuya sharp hey sijabulelane ke iloko yabona sebakhulile vele yabo. I think he was doing my matric at the time, grade 11 matric somewhere around lapho yena yabo. Sihlale ke lapho ngichazela istory ukuthi hayi ngilethwe into so because kokwami ngiyamazi ukuthi umuntu onjani. If ukokwami beka grand, I'm still saying this on record ukuthi if ukokwami beka grand, yes maybe uye waba grand, but mina azange abe grand for me. Maybe bakhona abantu uye waba grand for bona, but mina bu grand bakhe honestly angibazi yabo. And I'm not here to say maybe angifuni my views or angifuni ini, but I'm just here to tell the truth as it is. Indlela engikhule ngayo le, this is my story yabo, this is my journey, ihanjwe yimi. Whoever else is gonna say what, I don't think ukuthi ngifaka kakhulu leyo. Alright, kube lento leyo ke sister yabo. Alright, angihlale man endlini, but she was very reluctant yabo. I don't know why. After all these years, like this is my story, I'm coming here ngizocela just uncedo nje. Yeah, Home Affairs it's like 10 minutes away from endlini, you understand. Ngihlale ke ungahambi yabo nani ngiyaqala ngiyabona ezinye izinto endlini ukuthi la okay lento le isasekhona kahle yokubandlulula abantwana ukuthi ubani yabo isasekhona isasevele usho ukuthi into yasendlini leyo. Angisho ukuthi ayikho kwamanye amakhaya or kanjani, but the way ngifile ngakhona mina ngifile like la yayibona, and it was very very painful. Sharp ngihlale ke one day my other cousin uZwele bengikhula naye eNatal, uye umuntu bengiclose naye kakhulu because I think sishiyana nga 1-2 years kanjalo. Ayafike makafika beka se Middelburg bese kasebenzele ema Middelburg naye walimala abamdubula into ezifana lezo, akasakwazi ukusebenza kahle la asebenza khona because of icondition yakhe. Wabuye ekhaya naye uhambe nezitoro zakhe ke bekatshontshe endlini bekazi uyazi into ezifana lezo. So wambuyisa ugogo wamamukela sahlala ke sajabulelana necousin yami ngamcela istory so the only thing he said my cousin was, I've never seen a strong person like you. Maybe ngisazombona but angakamboni. You are very very strong. To me, I could have done something else, could have gone to jail, killed people or did whatever because ngithi hayi mfethu nama ngazi maybe uNkulunkulu because of nami lento le benginokulala ebusuku ukuthi lento le yangidla ngaphakathi ukuthi but why I do belong somewhere man. You understand, but this sense of belonging it's more like only called umntwana nqamuliwe like yebo. Ngihlale sister endlini sharp until ugogo ngelinye ilanga decide ukuthi hayi athi sambeni ke sihambe masifika lapha, and it was gonna be it was during ama elections, ngathi beka ama local elections or kanjalo. Home Affairs basenzele ke ngibuye ngize ngapha, and I told them the story ukuthi hayi bathi indlu phela thina sazi ukuthi yathathwa, sezwe ukuthiwa yathathwa indlu khona abantu abathatha indlu bathathela indlu nani. But at the back of my mind ukuthi why didn't you ask yourself about me? Okay, let alone the house, but what about me now? You understand? When I told them ukuthi endlini ngikhona ngicashisile kanje, they will even demand that money. Because angisho manje ngiseNatal, they will demand that money. Yabo? Ugogo wamatha yenzeni athathe lo mfowethu. You understand? My cousin will tell me athathe lo mfowethu angene naye shuthi baba nama private meeting yabo. Why ngathengiswa vele le ndlu le uthi ababuye ezohlala la nani. Hayibo. My cousin told me that. Yabo? First time ngathi yabona la problem. Because if bengasindaba iID, I wouldn't have come here. Okay. 2, I'm only asking this from Bona, but Bona should say babone opportunity to manje simele bayenza imali and all that and so forth. They don't care about me like basically. Abanandaba nami kahle. Injalo indaba ngitshela ukuthi akubekune meeting so and you were never told when amele kuthengiswe indlu nani. Hayibo. The house that I've protected so much, and I think ukuthi njoba sengilase kuyikhaya. I'm not saying ukuthi I've never even said even one for one ngithi indlu yami le. Even people say hey lapha kwakho ngithi kusekhaya la. Sikwami. Yabo akunandlo mina. Ngibuye sister ngenhlanhla kaNkuluNkulu ke ngomusa wakhe. Ngibuye bangibuya sengitholile i-ID or ngitholile notification ukuthi i-ID iphumile ngiphinde ngibuyele ke ngihambe ngiyoyithatha i-ID ngibuye mangibuya nayo i-ID sharp I think i-ID ngihlale nayo 6 months I think ngathola umsebenzi bangithola ijob ngifaka omunye umngane wami e-airport yabo sicala le phansi kuma 20 rand vele kunzima yabo yakhuzukwa ye kunzima bekunzima emaye kunalento le ukuthi usebenza kuphi yazi into yaselokishini usipana kuphi ungene kanjani uyazi khona lento yozokunyatsana elokishini angithi uyazi ukuthi kunjani you can't kanjani you understand hey hayi spane sikhola la 20 rand per hour I think for about 5 years if yabo if ngikhumbula kahle 2016 basikhuphulele inyuku yabo sibe right nje yabo ayingiqale ke manje ngithi hayi indaba yokuqashisa la angisayiboni ipurpose yakho so singakwazi uku-afforda yabo into eziningi yabo ngapha senginomntwana futhi ngithi hayi indaba yile ngila ngisayiboni kahle I picked up the phone even before buying material I called him yabo my brother who happens to be the biological son of my late stepfather. My late stepfather who happens to be the owner of the house.
Okay.
Like ngomthetho. Afone ngimfonela ngimtshela indoda yazi la kunje nje bengicabanga ukwenza so. Yeah, that's a very good thing nani yabo. Even before ngiyeke ngayo ngabavisitele ekhaya. Bought them fridges, bought them food, I gave them money and everything yabo. Yazi lento le ukuthi ngizama ukwenzana I'm not saying ukuthi maybe but bekuyinto engangifisa ukuyenza even as a child ukuthi mama wanna take care of mama because I could see ukuthi struggle kanjani ngathi you understand that was my dream vele so now that my mom is no longer there okay let me cause lento kimi mina ngina grief nabo mhlambe yiba abantu abane problem nami but mina nginayo problem I would give them those things and do those things ekhaya and all that yabo ayingibuye then I called him amtshela uthi mfethu la sengikhona usise sengathi indlela ngiyayibona naye yabo and sesinomntwana futhi then bengicabanga ukuthi so ngilungise kanje athi akunankinga yabo uzobe into right kusho amagama wakhe la asifone ngidrop phone sharp why dokusakhuluma lo ngiyambonisa iprogress hayi ngithenga ama tiles ngithenga amasamende ngenza ibonda ngifaka igate yabo ngenza amashama ceiling yabo ngiyarenovate nje endlini sharp kube yindle home 2019 mangizo lobola lo sisi lo ngihlala lo mama abantwana bami yabo ngimbiza uDayi because abo uDayi sebakhulile abo malume ngiyabona ukuthi umunye udonsela le nami nginalento ukuthi ngeke ngibafake kakhulu elifeini yami you understand like bebengekho vele yabo ngibiza abanye abobaba ngikhula phansi kwabo la ekhlaleni ngimbize naye ukuthi azo represent ifamily you understand mangafika ngiyambonisa indoda yabona hayi kunje ngithengene imoto ndoda nayo imoto yabo hayi so like umnandi nje ku right you understand ngimthathe siye kuphi ema shop wathenga impahla athenga amafoni abe right nje yabo la kumphudu wami mfowethu
yes
hayi abuye sharp sidlula imisebenzi mawudlula umsebenzi semile ngithatha umakoti manje ngibonisa bona bogogo yabo sihambe ngemoto sharp sidrive siye Natal masifika simdrope ke babogogo nani sibabona I think sihlale about 3-4 days because bekuzovulwa nezikolo hayi sibuye futhi oyilo khana kuzoba ne lockdown covid kanjalo sibuye masibuya sichubeke sihlale and all that sihlale ngapha akakeza yena wagcina ukuza ngalesa sikhathi yabo njengoba azefu amalobolo mara silokhu siyakhuluma ngicine nyaya futhi emakhaya lokhu ngiyaye emakhaya noma nginemali inyane emakhaya ngiyathumela yabo ekunabantwana and all that situation yasekhaya ngiyibonile ngiyayazi yabo but on top of how I was treated but still ngisase yimi futhi engisukumayo ngithi hayi abantwana abasekhaya laba gogwami at the end of the day because I remember the second time I think it was the second time or third time mangiya ngaze ngabatshela ukuthi hey yabona nalento ukuthi hey angizi ngetaxi mina ngiyolenda lapho ngisangebhanoyi yabo like I was so excited ukuya ekhaya that's where I even bought a fridge ugogo siyangibonisa hey fridge yami yabona ngathi hayi ngazange ngimtshele ngathi indoda sami set out wafika ngathenga ifridge ngathenga ukudla and all that and so forth yabo ngibuyele futhi bile kungiya ke ekhaya ngiye ekhaya then kwaba ne case shuthi kwaba ne story nyana se case nje yabo nginesinye story nami nje sami even icourt yakhona ngisana cause because angeke ngibeke on record because icourt isase yabo isaqhubeka ngibe ne problem kanjalo ekwazi ukuthi the problem le inkhiphe endlini ayangikhiphe endlini lo mfazi engimlobolile lo kubo the way ba welcoming ngakhona bangithatha bangibeka kule ndlu le yabo kahle ngahlala lapho then they built it they were about to build ama RDP houses then okay bakha kanje ngihlala lapha yabo ngiyahlala sharp ngize ngimfonela mfowethu yazi senginendawo la but indawo akuseyami indawo kabani kamuntu so ngoba ngumuntu wakhe and all that and so forth yabo obviously ngihlala la nani all right sharp attack nankinga which was last if I'm not mistaken last year maybe this year January ngiyekhaya November last year nami ngiyekhaya mangifika ekhaya ngathi ngiye September ngibuye mangibuya ngalo September mangibuya skisi mangibuya September November ngithi hayi man angeke ngiye ekhaya this year December last year ngidlile ekhaya nalo last year ngathi hayi ndoda bamana imali so yabo about 7,000 if I remember very well bahamba ndoda yabo uzothengela abantwana impahla and all that and so forth yabo bayenza awuzi kanti ngithi hayi ngeke ngikwazi ukuza yabo ngiyathisi ngizonibona January dise uyafona uthi kimi ndoda ngoba sothola indawo somewhere else bengicabanga ukuthi le ndlu le ithengiswa ngithi iphi indlu uthi le yasekhaya how why indaba ukuthi vele ngiyabona isimo sala ekhaya in and all that and so forth vele kubuye namagama kagogo la
sure
yokuthi le ndlu le meli ithengiswa uthaba buya azohlala la ngithi kuye mina okay uyazi situation yami manje uyayazi ukuthi ime kanjani angisho if sayithengisa indlu then I happen to hlukana noSester sisaxabana noSester ngoba ngihleli lapha phela ngenxa yakhe ifavor mina naye sisazwana kumele ngiphume ngami even noma ngathiwa bekuthiwa indlu yami but manginabantwana naye sihlala lapha sithu mangizoxabana icourt izothi mina ngiphume njoba ngubaba yazi South Africa kusethi umthetho unjani athi angisho so wakha lapha endlini sobona ukuthi senza kanjani and all that nami yabo yawa la ekhaya and all that and so forth lento le ingishaye ke manje uthi fine here is the house that I grew up in and I spent my money to renovate I spent my energy my time and everything we protect le ndlu le for everyone because igoal bokuthi so akha ama room lapha ngaphandle for everyone who would come and say siyahlala la kusekhaya la I even requested last year umntana kasisi wami lomncane ukuthi akeze azovakasha like wa familiarize ne environment I understand sixabane ke lapho shuthi silisa xabana vele yabo lithi hayi yazini I'll drive because uSester unkosikazi wami usisi wakhe bekafuna isikolo somewhere eDurban yabo so ngithi mina kuye yazi i-opportunity lekuthi sihlule nasekhaya yabo ngiyokhuluma nale ndoda masifika vele angabona ukuthi asizwani yabo into enza ukuthi singazwani ke lapha ngithe mina kuye efonini okay if you sell the house that means it's you and me abasele lapha you understand so that means if you sell the house so share ama percent 50-50 you understand ayinto engathi yamhlanyisa ke leyo ukuthi how can wena phela umntana kababa yabo awusumntana isimo sa status sele handle yasazi ukuthi sinjani and all that yabo ngithi status kanjani athi hayi yabona bamba yeke nje nani okay ngimiyeke ngithi hayi akeze ngapha January njengoba besibuya beku January lapho simina ngisekhaya athi awuzoza ke yabo January following month which is February this year uzoza ngapha azohlanganisa indaba zedirect nani okay bekunomuntu ogadile ngisho mina ngikho lapho ucousin yaka sister uyohleli lapho bekumfananyana nje bekasifundile isikole uye bekagadile lapho ngamtshela ngathi kunomuntu ogadile ngifaka umfana kanje angazi ukuthi ahlangane necousin yakhe angeke ngisho ngegama yabo bahlangane necousin yakhe yabona sekuyi-conspiracy man the cousin yakhe angazi ukuthi imfaka muphi umqondo or but ngiyabona ikhonto ekhona and ikhonto ezikhulunywa I'm not stupid enough not to see ukuthi kuyenzakalani yabo umfowethu makaza ngapha uza ne-information ukuthi mina endlini bengicashisile and azange ngimtshele nani ngithi kuye indlu kokucala beningazi ukuthi ikhona or ayisekho you understand ngiprotectile indlu and I'm not saying ukuthi ngifuna icup ngalokho no but ngiprotecting nje mangifika kini 2011 or 20 first time ngemakhaya ngafika ngitshela iqiniso ukuthi indlu isimo sendlu kanje indlu ikhona mara ngiqashisile kanje into bezongenza ukuthi nginganitsheli manje na into engizoyifihla ngifihla for yabona ukuthi sekunama forces manje yabona ukuthi naye nje yayibo kulento ukuthi ubambelele ukuthi lapha phela kusekhaya ngabo waze washo amagama wakhipha ngomlomo wakhe wathi phela lapha kusekhaya yabo ufike nini konje last month I think during afike vele endlini khona la uthi beqibe nami izwa ngithi beyiqashile beyigadile lapha ekabobele ayitshele la uthi ndoda afuna indawo ke abanikazi bendlu bayeza nani afike vele indlu empty yabo ngimhlanganisele ama sleeping couch and all that and so forth afike kushapa indoda uzolala la na into uzosebenzisa nani igesi yathengwa lana and all that yabo then ngathi ayisokhuluma kusasa ufike kuyi Friday if I'm not mistaken afike ngathi kuyi Friday ayifike kuyi Sunday Monday ngathi athi ngimiyeke sokhuluma kahle kusasa sasa senyaya ngiyi1 mfethu uthi kambana athi mina njoba ngize la sengikhulume nabantu baseBush ba-supportive ngama documents yabo bazonginika sebanginikile vele ezinye izinto zikhona ama death certificate we-timer into eziningi ezizodingeka ukuthi sithengiswe le ndlu nani ngithi so what's your uzoyibeka kanjani ukuthi wena into ofuna yenzakala la yini kahle yabo athi phela angeke ukwazi ukuthi uthole 50% wena njengoba ushilo ukuthi 50% and all that angeke sikwazi ukuthi ngikunikeze 50% mara khona okuncane omele ukuthole njengoba bekuwohleli lana and all that hayibo ngithi ayimiyeke futhi yabo ngithi mina okay athi njoba ngize la ngifuna ukuthi kube siye somewhere noma singaya kuphi sofuna illegal advice abazosadvise ngayo ukuthi senza kanjani I spoke to even on the last hour I spoke to my father-in-law yabo ngamchazela istory ukuthi azi kunje athi akhona abantu engibaziyo esingaya kubo eThembisa yabo wasithatha sayithembisa sangena lapha C3 bamchazisela istory washo istory sakhe ukuthi hayi but he was very persistent and very straightforward ukuthi uThabo akusu umuntu walapha akusu umntana kazalwa abantu yabo lento lezo uyaspecify kahle like ufuna ukukhipha kuyo yonke lento even if ufuna ukuthi umthetho ufavor yena kahle ngisho kanjalo yabo mangifika lapha mina I explain ke story hey ama documents nginabatwana emakhaya ngibabheke mina nani but ama efforts wami mina akawabali ukuthi hayi nama ubafuna ukunceda nani imali angisasebenzi wherever la ngishayise khona somewhere something nyana ngiyakwazi ukuthi ngiyazi isimo ekhaya kunjani ngiyakwazi ukuthi ngilahlele even nginama records wakhona I can even prove that angikhulumi ngomlomo ukuthi bayazi ukuthi i-effort ngiyayiphutha somewhere mangina something but all he ever says akayikhulumi indaba yenakhuza yokuthi i-effort yami uye phambili yimi lana kusekhaya ini umthetho ngeke ukuvumele letha sihamba so explainela kahle afika beka istory sakhe and still kule story sakhe like the way as driver ngakhona ukuthi ufuna ukushiftisa mina ukuthi vele ngingatholi next nani ngathi kuye mina ngaze ngayitshela sister legal state agent ngathi angifune next mina if ever kuzothiwa balwa abantwana vele ngiyazazi akusumntana walapha akusuka ngizalwa ubaba wala but mina leyo nto leyo bengingayazi ukuthi izohamba izifike la ukuthi khona abazokhethwa ukuthi lo akusuwa kabani akusuwa kabani you understand the only thing that I think ukuthi mina ngiyayidinga ukuthi mina ngithole imali yami engirenovate ngayo lapha because now I gave ivalue kule ndlu le irregardless ukuthi vele bengihlala khona you understand but lo sister naye maka explain athi okay, the day kuyothengiswa indlu angisho kuzozwa i-estate agencies for i-evaluation izosho ukuthi hayi wena wenza ama-renovations kuphi nakuphi, and was it necessary for you, for your safety, for your well-being, for your comfortability. That's Esther, ngizokutshela, that house was dilapidated. It was more like a building yase-Jozi somewhere engasanakwa, because there was no one who was taking care of it in terms of ukuthi uyalungisa, because there was no money to do that. Nobody, angithi bengihlala khona, I didn't have money to do that. Dala ngiba ama-victim waka Eskom agubha ama-cable ngigijima phansi ngenzani angithi yimi ohlala khona la. I'm not saying ukuthi ngifuna i-trophy for lokho, no, angisho yimi ngi-occupy la. But now that the story has gone this far, I don't know ukuthi somewhere somehow somebody somewhere maybe angakwazi ukuthi I-intervene, akwazi ukunginceda ukuthi nami ngithole into, ngoba ngiyabona ukuthi i-narrative ngiyayibona ukuthi iphushelwa kuphi. Yena sekune-conspiracy already, ngoba ngale sekanomzala wakhe and uzubona ukuthi lo mzala wakho nimenemene kanjani. I'm going to put this on record. This guy, before ngamthola through lo mama lobo ngitshela ukuthi she was my pillar of strength, uye umfana ukuthi wangithatha wangifaka la, because now lo mama lo, may soul rest in peace, no Mathamsanqa Dladla, she was a family friend yaka mama. They happened to have dated endaweni eyi-1.
Okay.
You understand? Lo mzala lo kuye umzala ne kumfowethu, but kubaba kamfowethu umshana shuthi uthi malu.
Okay.
I don't know ukuthi how they connected and all that. One thing kuyemsebenzini ngatshelwa mina ukuthi ngabizwa bangitshela ukuthi umzala kaThulane nani mara nawo umzala wakho kanje, wangiexplainela umama. I was so excited yabo, I took ama number wale out ngasendela uThulane ethi ndoda ukhulume nale ndoda nayo indoda yakini la, ngathi nguye umuntu ozoconnecta nefamily yakabo babakho, because since kwashonwa babakho washona nomama, there's nothing yabo i-communication. I think nguye umuntu ozokuthatha through and all that and so forth yabo. This guy will call each other. Even njengoba mfowethu wokuqala 2019 bengicela ukushifta kancane ngibuyele emuva. 2019 makeza umfowethu aza ngapha. This guy naye wafunga communicate weza naye. They slept endlini. I did everything for them that I could possibly do at that time to make them welcome endlini. You understand? We drove around. I even gave this guy imali epetrol ekseni masekavaya. Sharp umfethu yabo bizokusifonelana kanjalo, but in the minute umfowethu emfonela emtshela ukuthi mina ngifuna ukuthengisa indlu, ngathi mina ngime endleleni. This guy had never made a call or a contact nami, has never. Yes, like as umuntu besicommunicate naye kanje sigrand naye, I was expecting ukuthi at least uzongifonela athi ndoda ngiyezwa ngathi if ever nami khona la ngikhulume kabi khona and all that yabo, naye njengomuntu omdala you was supposed to have intervened and say hey mfethu, ngoba uThulane ukhona nawe ukhona, asisebo asizameni ukuthi lento soyihlanganisa siyenze. Ila ngibone khona ukuthi la there's a conspiracy. So nami ngathi I think kumele sayidini yabo, but the only thing that I want, ngiphumile lapha angisayingeni vele indaba yalapha. You understand? Okay, ngilungisile amandla wami ama-effort wami lawo, but no one is going to come and shine on my shine. No, lapho uyarefuse. Mina indlu yathengiswa ngisho ngokusho kwakhe. If uyathengiswa indlu njengoba basho bathi ufuna ukuyithengisa, mina let me get what even the law we went there bamtshela straight emahlweni bathi wena mele uthole each and every cent oyithi oyinakhuzanile lapho. I do have it on record yabo, because wonke ama transaction bengiwayenza ngaphandle kwale bengibhadala abantu ngayo ukuthi wena ufake isilingo, wena ufake, but le ngazi ukuthi ngithenga imaterial nayo imaterial akhona le ngithenga emalini. So ebanking ngaya nakusasa ebank ngiyofuna ama records wakhona bazonginikeza ukuthi angifake ibonda, ngifake igate, ngifake ngifake in. You understand? Into bengifuna le ukuthi mina ngifune just imali yami, ngithola imali yami, because there are some of the things engizibonile engizwize azikhuluma yena umfowethu. You understand? Engizwile ukuthi la kahle ushuthi anginawo umfowethu kahle la.
Like
yazi last Monday I was supposed to have come here on Wednesday last week.
Yeah.
Ngiyakuye ngithi ndoda asikhulume ke. what's the story kahle kahle kwenzakala yabo what's the way forward angisho mina sengisukile ngearea kade yabo uhleli lapha endlini uyiwani ngithi ngiyaya kuye ngithi bengicela ukubuza mfethu kanti mina because angisho yakhumbula last ukuthi igcinwe ngokuthi ngathi siyile lapha kulama lawyer lawa asitshela ukuthi asi-explainele into besingazazi before that yabona ukuthi wenzani baletha umuntu i-state agent angiyazi le out ize ngabo luka communicator nayo vumbu uyafika ukuthi awungahambi plus khona out izofika la uthi yafika iyakhuluma ukuthi hayi kuzofuneka ini kufuneka ini le out le ingakaqedi ukukhuluma wathi ayibafuzwile ke ukuthi la ukuthi kuthiwani yabo uzwile ke le out ukuthi ifuna ithi la uthi le ikhuluma angisho le time leli belinomfazi emakhaya time lakhe
okay
malinomfazi emakhaya nabantwana so now this guy says if that's the case and it's found ukuthi ubaba was married to umama lo ngale lo semakhaya eBush or eMpumalanga ngazi ngifuna ukwazi futhi ukuthi bakabe bekashadile then it means wena mawuthengisa indlu njengomntwana obvious kumele bayinclude leyo ndlu le umama kumele abe nama-percent andlula nonke nabantwana that's why imsha khona lento le ukuthi hey I'm not going to take this because iphepha last week malifika nama evaluation what ngambonisa yabo ngathi nali iphepha lingene asingenele sonke la area I think indlu yalapha kubo beyithi 419,000 abakafaki ama renovation ama security understand abakafaki zonke lezo zinto lezo nali iphepha yabo shuthi into engiyibonayo la umuntu ocastrator yonke lento le ilomzala wakhona lo ongafuni ukuthi ongakwazi nokuthi akhulume nami ukuthi hayi already sekatsheli ukuthi phela lo akazalwa lapha in because one of the things that my fellow brother said uthe ngale abak-recognize ngale you can't be entitled to 50% when you are not recognized ngale you understand iBush bonke labantwana bang-recognize and leyo magama lawa ngiyazi ukuthi awabuyi ngale kulabantwana abuya kulo mzala lo mzala ubona i-opportunity ukuthi le ntwana ifuna ukubhayisa idladla nami ngizongena bayi-2 manje conspiracy against bani mina into abafuna ukungishaya ngayo ukuthi wena shuthi masithengisa indlu wena the only thing that you'll gain ukuthi mina competition siyabonga ndoda izobe iphuma kubo not ukuthi izobe i-drive illegal team ezosho ukuthi hayi na inakhuza wena kumele uthole imali kangaka because mina already ngivele ngizikhiphile ngasho namanje I'm saying this on record ngishilo ukuthi angilwi nawe angeke imendleleni yakho ukuthi uthengise indlu yakini but into ezonginceda ngayo mina ukuthi mina ngicela just imali yami engirenovate ngayo kuphela then you guys can sell the house it's fine.
So going back Thabo to njengoba usho ukuthi ugogo beka umuntu okwazi ukuhlukanisa izingane khona ezibetha khona you know i-relationship kagogo and your mother I know ukuthi bowusese young but bowuyazi ukuthi relationship enjani how was their relationship bebazwana bebangazwani
yeah ngizozama uku-answera very very carefully and very articulate leyo because I will only answer from based on what I saw
okay
or I used to see
yes
ugogo wami would come from emakhaya aze ngapha she would visit regularly I think a year bangeza kayi-2 kayi-3
okay
and I don't think ukuthi you can visit umuntu ongazwani naye
sure
that's first yabo
Yeah.
second umamami was the only ntombazana ugogo wami bekanayo
no
so yayibona ukuthi i-answer question yakho
Yes,
kahle
yeah.
kahle basically now but still even nasekhaya abantwana bakagogo nabo namhlanje abazwani basele bayi-2 ama-uncle wami uncle nathi no-uncle doctor abazwani boyi-2 abazwa even when my granny was still alive bebangazwani because boyi-2 bebanokuza ngapha uncle nathi ubekeza ngapha okay weza pretty much bonke abantwana bakabo-oledi
yeah
bebeza ngapha but laba bayi-2 abazwani The other one, wangitshela mina story, but I'm not gonna say it's the real story and all that and so forth because I was not there. Yabo. Wangitshela ama mistake nangendlela ubhuti wakhe obekamtreata ngayo and all that and so forth. Ilento le ebuya back to ukuthi abantwana asibathandeni abantwana bethu. Noma ngabe kuthiwa umthanda kangakanani loya ukudlula loya, but ungababonisi.
Sure.
Don't show them that because leyo nto leyo iyababulala kahle. It killed me in family yami yakabo mama. And it killed abantwana baka mama. I'm here today because some of the things engizwile and I used to hear those things ngisasebancane school. There were those things ukuthi hayi wena kusubo you understand. Even my brother lo ngilandelayo wamuva la wawuhlala eNatal because of those words. I was only told later by lo mama lo wathi yazi uphumlani wahambelanda wahambela ukuthi bekunokuphuma amagama ukuthi akusiginda because we would be told ukuthi lo nalo akusinina. The only person who was supposed to have been here, even my brother last week said it. Wathi kahle kahle ngokomthetho bemele ngabe kusale mina nobanda just because of i-situation leso sikhathi bengavumi.
Yeah.
Obvious. That means thina mina all these years bengihlele endaweni wrong. According to what he said on me last week.
Yes.
Yabo bengihlele endaweni wrong. Now I'm this person omile oblockile ngiblockhe into zakababakhe naye ufuna ukujabula. That's what he said. Ufuna ukujabula naye adla ififa la kababakhe and all that. So then I asked myself, I didn't even ask him because I could see ukuthi angeke ngikwazi uku-argue nalo muntu or ucommunicate nalo muntu unale narrative akanayo. So mina ngihamba ngenye, you understand?
Yes.
Of which angimlwisi angisho next. But mina nami ngeke akwazi ukuthi ame enjabulweni yami. Imali engispende lapha nami yabantwana bami.
Sure.
You understand? Nami ngokomthetho. You understand? Nami ngiyayifuna lo mali yami ukuthi ngikwazi ukuthi nami ngiqhubeke nabantwana bami. As much as unabantu kuuye plus iswami washona ngisho sekusele kulabantwana labo by the time. So yena just kahle ngabe uyasho ukuthi hayi bafo asithengise le ndlu ngokunikeza imali yakho nani and all that leyo bezoba better. Hayi ukuthi wena ufuna ukuthengisa indlu then wena usikuzoba ngathi unginikeza i10 hayi ngiyabonga bamba. Ufuna ukuthi yonke into yenziwe ukuthi yena uye egcineni uzothi hayi bamba na i10 or 1000 hayi siyabonga na angifuni kanjalo. Angifuni leyo ngeke noma ngathiwa angeke ngithi indlu is worth even if the house was worth R1 million if mina legally umthetho uthi kumele ngithole R20 kumele ngithole. Angithi kusho ubani? Usho umthetho. Hayi ukuthi mina ngithi ngoba ngihleli lapha I don't care. Umthetho bashilo nabo ukuthi hayi even noma kuthiwa bonga renovateanga bonga yenzanga next. Umthetho uma uthi vele kumele uphume obvious kumele uphume kusho umthetho. So ngamtshela last week ngathi yazi khona ezinye izinto ngeke ngikwazi futhi ngeke ngiziphendule. Yabo ngoba mina nawe sizogcina yasamoya futhi indaba. Yabona?
Yeah.
Iyogcina ithatha another route which angeke sifikise la sifuna sifika khona. Mina ngiyakubona ukuthi already so concludeile and unabantu okhuluma nabo unani wenza angisibhari. That's one thing you must know ukuthi ngaba before your eyes I can be anything. I'm not saying ukuthi ngihlakaniphile or kanjani but khona ezinye izinto engasisilima kuzo fana nale angisisilima kuyo. Nawe if you were in my shoes you would have done the same thing. Ulwela ini amalungelo wami nawe ulwela amalungelo wakini nami ngilwela amalungelo wami nabantwana bami. Mina nawe vele ngiyabona ukuthi like ayisekho lento leyo. Futhi yayingekho vele from the onset. You understand? Ezinye izinto ngeke ngikwazi ukuzisho or ukuzikhuluma. But nje ngiyazazi bengibona ukuthi kunye la hayi.
So going back njengoba usho when you came this side already it's stepfather besingasekho emhlabeni.
Besingasekho yeah.
So awumazi like
anyamazi.
Uyamazi but
So
you never had a closer relationship naye because beka boss emakhaya nibheka ngapha.
There was a time I was told ukuthi here's your father. Bekunomsebenzi I think emakhaya, ne? And I saw this bearded guy nje umene olady la. One of my family members wakabo mama wathi nangu indoda ubingelelo uyihlo lapha. Then this guy calls me yabo. I still remember that yabo vividly. Then he calls me. Yeah, mangithi angihage yabo. Next year uze ke sokuhlala sonke nani yabo. uze yabo sohlala nabantwana bakini and all that. That was the first and the last time I saw the guy.
Were they married with your mom?
No, according to what I know, no. They were
Okay.
not.
So gulama siblings wako obvious khona baka stepfather. So those are the ones that are fighting now. Uyo yiwani lo sele
Uye lo one.
ofuna ukuthengisa umuzi.
Uye lo one ofighter. Yazi labantu laba ne from ifamily yakabo baba ngale, yakabo stepfather. They've never bothered. They knew ukuthi kunendlu ngapha. Which kunabantwana.
Yeah.
Abayi-2, unabantwana abayi-2 nomama. They've never bothered. Cabanga ukuthi ushone nini umuntu? Ushone 1992. Up until they've never. And I remember vividly one of the days lo mama lo uTamtam calls me and says ungathini if ifamily yakabo Timer izizokukhipha endlini ungathini ungenza like I think bekafuna ukuzwa ngithi hayi ngizophuma into engizoyenza athi angeke ukwazi ukuphuma umthetho ngeke uvuma ukuthi boba kukhiphe because wena uphile under umama and umama akasekho and they have no legal right ukuthi bakukhiphe endlini, you understand? Umphakathi nawo ungakulwela ngeke yenzeke leyo nto leyo. That was the last time we spoke about this. No mama saphile uNomathamsanqa ulo bekahlala eStratton Sam. They've never bothered those people. They've never. All these years mina ngibenginalento le ukuthi hey maybe these people would come and say yabo nani yabo, but they've never. I don't even know any of them. I've never met or heard up until ngizomeet this guy lo ngithi cousin yakhe umfo. Ngabahlanganisa futhi because I didn't have a problem with him meeting ifamily about time lakhe nani ngamnikeza amafoni number bafonela baze kwaba nama sister nani bahlangana bakhuluma bayenzani but it was through mina because I didn't have a problem because ngibonile abantu azange bangihluphe nani azange bahluphe nje ukuthi baze endlini or nix never nothing.
So all along man looking cooler, did you guys know ukuthi ubaba nomfazi ekhaya?
Yeah. Mina
you all knew.
Yes.
Did the wife try to boya and
nix, nothing. Hence I said they've never bothered. I don't know what was the agreement or but they've never, because one of the years I think uNakuza uTamtam once told me ukuthi angathi baya bona ngathi bathola imali zakababa zasemsebenzini.
Okay.
And ngapha futhi ngathi bekanendlu vele ngale. So ngathi shuthi abantu abavele bathi ayithina sozibambela lokhu simncwabile sozithathela lokhu. If that's the case yabo, I'm not saying ukuthi bekunjalo because I was not there yabo. So kwaba ile nto leyo, then everyone waphuma kanje nomunye waphuma kanje, you understand? So but bear in mind ukuthi lo baba lo unabantwana ngale.
Of course.
Nangapha futhi unabantwana bayi2 of which labantwana yiba mele basale should bona iagreement yabo mangicabanga njengabantu abadala mhlambe yayenziwa ngokuthi hayi ngoba lo unabantwana uzosala nalabantwana la lendlu lezosala nalabantwana up until umama washona ke yabo, because ushone nini umama itime alishone uStepfather ushone 92 umama washona 96.
Yeah,
I mean 99 yabo. So they are how many years apart? 6 ne
6 years.
Yeah, 6 years. So yeah, they've never bothered up until manje yabo, njoba sekuthiwa hey semele kuthengiswa indlu, which I didn't have a problem with. Okay, at first maybe I thought ukuthi nami I'm eligible ukuthi ngithole something njengoma udirect umntana kamama yabo, but when I went and consulted they said no, if akuna adoption letter, there's nothing that ties you no baba ngale and umama wakho bangashadanga nalo baba and all that. So that means the only thing that ungayithola wena yilokuthi urenovate lapho. Ya yona nyayifuna. Yona anyayifuna.
So
anyayifuna.
into idingayo right now is for you to get a share of amandla akho that you contributed to that house.
Thank you. Yabo.
So usizo olidingayo to the public
yilo lelo.
Yilo lelo kuphela.
Yes. Ukuthi indlu yathengiswa angisangeni kakhulu lapha. Nomthetho na ungitshelile ukuthi hayi wena ungeni ndawo la.
So to abantu that would like to help, like we can find maybe a lawyer or some experts about, okay, I want to help that gentleman. Where can they find you?
Okay.
A number?
Okay. This is Hope Revolution podcast, ne?
Yes.
Hope Revolution Hope Revolution podcast.
Yeah.
Don't forget to like and subscribe.
Several.
Yeah. Okay, mina ngitholakala simple sister. Ngitholakala ku number yami 071
Okay.
3341 993. Alternatively, you can find my wife. It's on 0766 437152.
Okay.
Yeah, go TikTok @touch 69.
Okay.
Yeah.
So senzela ukuthi because we do get abantu abasicontact and say I want to help that gentleman, but when I spoke to you, I told you that I have someone in mind.
Yes.
Yeah. So I will also try to have a conversation because I think what you are asking is fair.
Yes.
Because you know, it's not like you want the whole house, but
No,
the money you contributed to the house. Because if maybe they knew the plan was to solve the house, I think they should have stopped you to
Yes.
say, "Ungai renovate."
And here's another thing, sister. When we went there to Etembis, when my fellow brother was asked, did Utabo contact you before my renovations? He wanted to deny. He was very evasive in the answer. You understand? So which from there and how we spoke about me not being a biological son of the father and all that and so forth and so forth. So lento lezo up until now last week njoba sekazothi mina I was not supposed to have been left there. It's only them, Oyana no sis, who happens to be my younger sister, who are supposed to. These are my exit words that came from his own mouth. Akumelanga mina nani. So the into leyo uyabona ukuthi is ulwisana nalento ukuthi mina ngithi ngiyayifuna.
Yeah.
Which I think is fair for everyone and to everyone ozobukela i-episode. I mean, I'm only asking for ama contribution engiwayenzile endlini kuphela. Ukuthi ngihlalile endlini, yes, the house gave me a very warm house and a very warm home because I could have grown up estradini,
Yes.
I'm very grateful for that. You understand? Ukuthi ubaba wakhe wakha indlu ukuthi ngizohlala and then ngatry nami ngabuild impilo yami and all. Njoba sengiphumile ngiphume peacefully akuliwe namanje angilwi naye, even though the relationship I don't think it's gonna be the same going forward. But if maybe from two parties, one will say I mfethu asihlale sinakuze si reconcile ngendlela thize nana sisazodingana maybe life in, we never know. I'm not shutting the door on anyone, but as for now I think kumele kulungele. So understand, going forward sesobona ukuthi siya contributor towards i-reconciliation or kanjani, but i-relationship manje I don't think ukuthi i-grand ayikho sharp because even ungapha and he only knows me ngapha ne eJoburg ula eDaveyton, but anginayo lento ukuthi ngakhuluma naye because I know ukuthi every time mangikhuluma naye like soxabana.
Yeah.
You understand, ngitry avoid lezo zinto lezo. Angikhulumi naye not because angifuni ukukhuluma naye. You understand? Naye maybe kwelakhe side unama reasons ukuthi why angicontact ngakhulumi nami next. Yabo? Nami I'm not gonna do the same. So ile nto le enjalo. So mina nje kuphela ngizifunela lokho ngikufunela kona from umthetho mhlambe mangabe isoya kuzogijima kiwe ema-court, mangabe i-court nayo yangichitha izobe ingichithile. You understand? But mina nje ngokuzwa kwami la sibuya khona, this is what I have to get.
Yes.
Ama contributions wami wendlu. I have all the evidence ukuthi ngiqale la ngagcina la. And manje ngiyayibheka le mali sister funa ipholo nami.
Uyamstress, amazobala amaphola.
Abazo edita le pholo.
But what would you like to say to, because the situation ondlule kuyo where like ngizoyibeka ngithi uzikhulisile.
Yes, ma'am.
The streets raised you.
Yes.
At the same time, yes, bekunabantu that are contributing towards your growth. But angeke sivalele i-chapter yokuthi they are youngsters abaphila the very same life oyiphilile right now. Abanye they were even taken out kulezo zindlu bahlale eitradini.
Yes. Yes.
What would you like to say to that person osey'qathulweni right now ezifana nezakho?
Eish. I'm not a very good motivational speaker, yes.
But
again,
judging from your experience.
From my experience, I think ukuthi izinto bezenzeka ngalesa sikhathi ngisasena 13 12 azisayenzeki manje. Life manje sengenye indlela. You understand? If fasting ngenye indlela, there are a lot of things, drugs, human trafficking and all that and so forth. Yabo? So but now mchita mawuhlele estradini udlule maybe kule situation relative to what I've been through, what I've gone through. I think firstly you must associate with people that are positive. Your surroundings are very, very important. Understand? Secondly, iskolo yazi ukuthi iskolo is not iskolo because siyofunda for pasa siye phambili sithola umsebenzi lana. Iskolo it teaches you a lot of things. Even abantu ozobathola esikolweni. If you must choose your friends. Don't let your friends choose you. Because you can be chosen by abangani abangekho grand. Iqala from la foundation yami nabe lapho. And also mina bengumuntu ozithandela ibhola. Mina ngithanda ibhola kakhulu. Ngithanda ne-radio and I could listen to i-radio the whole day. So some of the things bengizifunda la e-radioini abantu would come just like the platform engiphe yona namhlanje, which I'm very grateful for. You understand? So I would associate nabantu abanjalo abangani bami ngiyabakhetha up until ngize ngifike kule stage sokuthi hayi manje sengizoba ubaba sinjoba ngubaba namhlanje. Ziningi izinto engathi maybe kube ngoframe ngike ngoframe nami ngashaya amaphotholo ngaphinde ngazibuyisa futhi. Understand? Because of I always say the belief ukuthi no akusiyimi lo. I situation ingilethe la and it's only within myself ukuthi ngizikhiphe kule situation. But ama surroundings wakho first. You are important. Obus 2 uthemba ungalahli. Obus 3 uthandaze ndoda. Yabo nawe sesiteka lapho uthandaze and you must pray and believe ukuthi izinto zoba great. But nawe kumele usuku. Yabo ungathandazi maqedwe alala uthi hayi kusasa ngizovuka kunesinkwa lapho. No, you must go and find that bread.
Yeah.
Yabo ngendlela right.
Thank you so much, Thabo.
Thank you so much for having me, and this was a very, very for me I think I even ngingaba emotional kancane, not because of ini, but bangikhumbula ngicabanga ngihlala phansi like ijeni engihambile ngempilo. It was not easy, and I always abantu abangaziyo bazokutshela I'm putting a smile on my face, and I'm able to put a smile ebusweni babanye abantu, but with me going through a pain ngaphakathi. I'm going through a lot. Even currently I'm not good. As I told you, there's a case that is pending a court and all that, which nayo leyo case leyo orchestratiwe, but I won't go into details that much ngayo yabo. But ngiyabelieve kakhulu ukuthi ngizoba right and wonke umuntu uzoba right. Whatever situation uhamba kuyo uzoba right ekugcineni. If there's a light, if kunobumnyama, then that means ukhanya kukhona.
Sure.
Yes.
Ngiyabonga mfethu.
Ngiyabonga.
Thank you so much.
Don't forget to like and subscribe. This is Hope Revolution podcast. Thibo Tash.
Sibonge.
Thank you.
Thank you everyone. We'll see you next week with another person who will be here to share their story. Sithi bye bye for today.
Bye.